Okay, so hello all learners and anyone who like watching my channels. You want to improve your English, you should follow my channel by subscribe, like or leave a comment if you have question. Okay, chẳng những sự stay on it, chẳng ngày ngày chơi châu merin tiết cứ prepositions of time, thì mean in, on, at, in, bên tay thì tông time, paperly, preposition of time. So let's go. When we talk about times, we often use preposition in, on, or at. Người ta bây giờ dân gì ông bị paperly dân tay preposition in, preposition in, on, or at. We use in with part of day, okay, part of day with months, seasons, and years. ជាងប្រើ in នេះគឺជាមួយផ្នែកនៃថ្ងៃបាទគឺតកតងដូចជាខែរដូវ season និងឆ្នាំ in the morning នៅពេលព្រឹក in afternoon ពេលរសៀល in the evening ពេលល្ងាច in January, in February, or in March, in the spring រដូវកាលរីក spring, in the summer រដូវក្តៅនៅរដូវក្តៅ in the autumn រដូវរដូវជ្រុះ in the winter រដូវល្ងា in 1542 នៅឆ្នាំ in 1868, in 1995 បាទអញ្ចឹងយើងប្រើ in ទៅតងនឹងអូខេ next បន្តទៀត we use on with days and dates អញ្ចឹងប្រើ on ជាមួយនឹង day and date on Wednesday, on Thursday evening, on Christmas Day, on her birthday, on April 9th. We say on April the 9th, on the 9th of April ចឹងឯងអានมันពីរយ៉ាងមួយទៀត we use at for times of day អញ្ចឹងយក at ហ្នឹងប្រើសម្រាប់ពេលវេលាណាពេលវេលានៃថ្ងៃ with meal អាហារនិង meal time ពេល meal time ពេលញ៉ាំអាហារ at 11 a.m. at 3 o'clock at breakfast at lunch time at tea time ពេលញ៉ាំតែ at dinner. We also say at night, at the weekend, at Christmas, at Easter. 2. The following words can replace in, on, or at ណាអញ្ចឹងពាក្យតនេះអាចជំនួសពាក្យ in, on ឬ at បាន this, next, last, every យល់ថា I'm going home in April. I'm going home this April អញ្ចឹងអាចប្រើនឹងជំនួសបានI'm playing tennis on Wednesday. I'm playing tennis next Wednesday. See less at the weekend. See less last weekend. He visit James គាត់មកលេង James on Saturday every Saturday អញ្ចឹងអាចជំនួសនេះបាន on next. We can use from to talk about time អញ្ចឹងយើងអាចប្រើពាក្យ from to ដើម្បីនិយាយពីពេលវេលា The museum is open from 10 to here are some more examples ឧទាហរណ៍មួយចំនួន She's staying here from Sunday to Tuesday. We have a tea break from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. Sometimes we use from its own ឬក៏ប្រើ from I will be in Paris from Wednesday ខ្ញុំនឹងនៅទីក្រុងប៉ារីសចាប់ពីខែពុធទៅ Monday Tuesday នេះអូខេនិយាយឡើងវិញជា position នេះគឺសំដៅលើមាន in on at បាទ in on at អូខេអូខេចឹងការប្រើទី1 in ចឹង you in with part of day ចាំតែពេលណាប្រើ in គឺ part of day មាន and with month season year អូខេទី2 on you on with day and date day ថ្ងៃ date កាលបច្ចុប្បន្ន we use at for time of day and with meal and meal time ចឹង at សម្រាប់តកតង times of day និង meal time បាទហើយជួនកាលយើងអត់ប្រើ in on យើងប្រើ this បាទ next last every ជំនួសវិញ We use from to talk about time ញ៉ា from to ពេលវេលាដែរ The museum open from 10 to 6 ឧទាហរណ៍ពេលខ្លះខ្ញុំប្រើតែ from ទេឧទាហរណ៍ I will be in Paris from Wednesday អូខេអញ្ចឹងយើងចូលនេះយើង fill in the gap បំពេញចន្លោះ with following in on or at I went to Turkey in July ខ្ញុំទៅទូគីក្នុង July កក្កដា we must leave ពួកយើងត្រូវចាកចេញអញ្ចឹងពេលវេលាគឺទាក់ទងមកគឺ at 12 o'clock we'll have break ពួកយើងនឹងសម្រាក in the afternoon she's arriving អ្នកនឹងមកដល់day on Monday it's very cold here អញ្ចឹងវាត្រជាក់នៅនេះអញ្ចឹង night at night I was born យ៉ាង year in I was born in 1970 I never worked weekend នេះខ្លះប្រើ on និងប្រើ at ត្រូវជាយើងយកបែប American at the weekend we can play tennis season summer ដៅក្តៅអញ្ចឹងដែរគេ in summer schools start នេះយើងមានថ្ងៃទីយើងប្រើ on that on September the 5th I'll see you ទៅតងពេលវេលាអាហារគឺប្រើ at lunch time ជាមើលនេះពេលវេលាទៅតង at ប្រើ time day time និង mean time អូខេអញ្ចឹងមួយទៀតគេឲ្យ fill in the gap បំពេញចន្លោះជាមួយ conversion នេះមួយពាក្យដែលមានប្រអប់ហ្នឹង summer ហើយណាare you going on holiday បាទ in the summer បាទ no but I went skiing in Italy in the in the winter đâu ấy và đầuរងាបាទខ្ញុំបានទៅ ski ski នៅក្នុងប្រទេសអ៊ីតាលីក្នុងខេត្តរងា and I'm going to America at អី at the weekend នៅចុងសប្តាហ៍I'll be in New York ខ្ញុំនឹងនៅក្នុងទីក្រុង New York on Saturday ថ្ងៃប្រើ on ថ្ងៃសៅរ៍ Then I'm traveling south to Texas ខ្ញុំនឹងធ្វើដំណើរទៅខាងត្បូងទៅរដ្ឋ Texas What about you ជនអ្នកវិញ Are you going away this year តើអញទៅណាអត់នៅឆ្នាំនេះ Yes in fact តាមពិតពិតទេគេ I'm flying to Morocco ខ្ញុំនឹងជិះយន្តហោះទៅទីក្រុង Morocco at 2 o'clock ណា 2 o'clock នេះមិញនេះហើយ 2 o'clock និយាយលេខកាត់2 o'clock tomorrow ម៉ោង2គាត់ Really but it's a wonderful country វាជាប្រទេសដ៏អស្ចារ្យ I was there in 1990ខ្ញុំនៅទីនោះក្នុងឆ្នាំ1990 Just sing ខ្ញុំគិត I'll be in Moroccan big on ខ្ញុំនឹងក្នុងទីក្រុង Moroccan បាទ on my birthday សល់មួយ my birthday ថ្ងៃខួបកំណើតរបស់ខ្ញុំ Okay, so thank you for your watching. Please subscribe and like for more video. And if you have comment, have problem, you can leave comment. អរគុណយើងតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងទេហើយមានចម្ងល់អីអាចសួរបានជួយ like និង share subscribe មាន ngó lại su bàn. Okay, thank you, goodbye.